If you want to change your login email address on Facebook, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple, quick, and safe way. Whether you're updating an old email, switching to a new one, or just making sure your account recovery details are current, this is one of those Facebook settings that's important to get right. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and app guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture. This opens up your account menu, where you'll find all the main settings options you need. From here, look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. Then choose Settings. This takes you into the main Facebook settings area, where you can control your account, privacy, security, and personal information. Next, find and click Account Center. Facebook uses Account Center to manage connected account details, like your profile info, login details, and contact information. This is the section you need if you want to update your email address. Once you're inside Account Center, click Personal Details. This section contains your account-specific information, including name, birthday, and contact info. We're getting closer now. After that, select Contact Info. This is where Facebook stores the email addresses and phone numbers linked to your account, including the login email you want to change. Now click Add New Email Address. This is the option that allows you to enter a new email for your Facebook account. Type in the new email address carefully and make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because this email will need to be verified before it becomes active. After entering the new email, Facebook will ask you to verify it. Check your inbox for the confirmation message and follow the verification link or code instructions. This step is very important because Facebook needs to confirm that you actually have access to that email address. Once the email is verified, your new email can be used for login and account recovery, depending on how your settings are configured. If you want, you can keep the old email on the account as a backup, or remove it later if you no longer use it. Just make sure your new email is active and accessible before making any final changes. That's it. You've now learned how to change your login email address on Facebook. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and updating it can help keep your account secure and easy to access. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.